Hi student, welcome back in our science session, 7th standard science, lesson number 5, food and the food safety. So, in the previous video, we have seen the food spoilage and factors responsible for food spoilage. Now, today's video, we are going to see food wastage. And in this, two types are there, qualitative and quantitative food wastage. Now, let's start the lesson. Now see how and where is food wasted. Now in you know very well in the feast or any program is there that time food wastage is more. We have to stop this food wastage. And our India is an agriculture country, you know all. And we produce more and more food grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables, and also milk and milk products are there. Then also some people from our country not get the food for one time. They are hungry. They face the problem of hunger. Now see the first paragraph. With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so, many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. Many do not get even one meal a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent the wastage of food wherever it takes place. We have to stop the food wastage and we have to save the food. Now, see, first is the quantitative food wastage. Quantitative means here quantity. Here we have to measure the quantity of food wasting. Here large amount means here large amount of food wastage is there. Why it happens? Because of wrong methods of farming, wrong methods of handling the food. It happens. And here distribution of food also wrong. Then storage also wrong. That we have to see here now. Wrong methods of farming like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshings, improper storage, and the wrong methods of distribution are some reasons for the quantitative wastage of food. Besides, such much food is wasted as a result of the custom of offering and serving too much food to the guest at a traditional feast or any program is there. That time you are forcing to your guest and you are serving them much food, so you have to stop it. How much they need, that much you have to serve them. And and this all will become food wastage, and all this food could have met a need of many other people, means other people, those who are really needed, really need the food, they can get this food. We should not force to guest and other people for the food. Now next point, that is qualitative wastage. Now here qualitative wastage means quality of food is wasted. So simple way, quality of food is wastage. How it is wastage? It is also wasted by the wrong method of protecting food, excessive use of the food preservative, overcooking, washing the vegetable after cutting them, mishandling of fruits like grapes and mangoes, miscalculation of the time required to transport the food from producer to the customer. Now see here different types, different methods here given for the quality wastage of the food. First one, that is we have to protecting food. We have to protect the food which is available in our home. It should not be attacked by the microorganism or any pest. Excessive food preservative means do not use the more preservative in the food. This also happen, their chemical reaction is going on, and then also we can get the means our food will become spoiled. Overcooking, don't cook the food more, because from that vitamins and minerals will lost. Washing vegetables with the after cutting them, means here after market when you are purchase the vegetables or fruits, after purchasing it you have to wash it. After washing you cut it. Before washing don't cut it. And if you wash and cut, then it's good. But if you cut and then wash, then it will minerals and vitamins will dissolve into the water and you will not get it. And some ladies, they cook dal pulses and the remaining water they will throw into basin, and only dal and pulses they are taking for the food. So it is also wrong method. Mishandling of fruits of grapes and mangoes. These two fruits are very delicate. They ripe. If they are ripe once time, you have to pack it properly. Grapes also. And miscalculation of a time required for the transport to the food from the producer to the customer. Now see here, from Ratnagiri or Devgarh, mangoes coming here in the Islampur, if they are taking 4 days or 5 days in the traveling, then before that, when that mangoes are raw mango, that time they have to pack and they have to send it here. Means in that transport 4 days will go, and when the customer will buy these mangoes, it is ready to eat. Like this way position should be there. So miscalculation of time required to transport the food from producer to the customer. This is also wastage of quality. Are the some of the causes of the quality wastage. Now next is, what can you do to prevent the food wastage and spoilage? It is everybody's duty to stop the food spoiling or stop the wastage of the food. So what we can do? Serve yourself only as much as you can eat. Avoid the overeating. Overeating also and overcooking also. Avoid the throwing away the leftover rice, food, that all things. Reuse it in the proper way. Morning if you cook the food, it is become more, then keep in the fridge, and then in the evening also you can eat it. Means you have to reuse it in the proper way. Buy only as much grains, vegetable, fruits, milk, etc. as you need. Avoid the temptation means you have to. Temptation means what here? When you visit any shop or any mall, if you don't want anything, then also you will purchase the many things. Means here temptation, moha, ichha. That is why don't make it, and control yourself while purchasing the food, vegetable, fruits or milk products. Don't use this. Don't purchase more things. How much you need, that much only you can purchase. Store the grains and other perishable. Perishable means distribution, means disturbance. Foodstuffs like vegetables means which are spoiled within very early, that is perishable, nashwant padarth. Vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. using a proper method. You have to store them properly. Check the expiry date of bottled, canned, packed food and use it within that time. You have to use within that time. You have to check every time expiry date of the food material. Eat all the food that you have served yourself. Next year, observe and discuss. Here is the what can we do to avoid the use of rice grains as a akshada to prevent the wastage of food during the wedding feast. Yes, we have to stop this tradition, so to save the food. Then World Food Day. On 16th October we are celebrating World Food Day because to work towards the food security and avoid the food wastage, we have to use it. Okay student, in the next video we will see the next lesson. Okay, thank you. Till that you read this lesson, read the points now which we have completed. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.